going on, guys? It's PezBoy99 and we're back with another Pez video. So in the last video, guys, I showed you basically one of my shelves that was up in my basement and how I'm going to be making that into my Pez room, basically. So in today's video, I'm just going to be showing off a few Pez that I got for my dad's birthday. As you know, me and my dad both collect Pez, so I'm going to show them off right now. Hopefully he doesn't watch this video before the 12th. Because that is his birthday, and that's when I'm giving him these Pez. They're in here. So yeah, I'm just gonna show them off. Basically, they're his though, but we both collect them. It's like our collection. So this is just gonna go towards our collection, basically. So also, I'm gonna show you guys those new Pez, and I'm gonna be opening up some random Pez because my mom got me these, and there's candy corn Pez in there, and I actually really like that flavor. So we're just gonna open up this Ghost, and we're also gonna be opening up this little bat. My dad got like 100 of these guys, so yeah, I'll be opening up those because I haven't opened Pez in who knows how long. So I might as well show off the new Pez that I got for my dad. So we'll start off with this set. We got the Lion King. That is that is Simba. So yeah, there's Simba. So I guess Mufasa's in this set, but I could not find him. I just actually read on the back that Mufasa's in the set. I did not think he was in the set because I literally couldn't find him. Then we have Puma right here. So this is a pretty new set that came out for the new Lion King movie. And we got my boy, Timon. There he is. Good thing they have the names on the back, because I would not know their names. And we got Nala, which is like the little girl line. So apparently I actually am missing, Mufasa. I thought it was odd that it was just these four. I was like, where the hell is Mufasa? But he was not at Five Below. I'd say that's my favorite one, though. Pretty freaking awesome. So yeah, those are 4 Pez. That's one little set that I got him. I got quite a few other Pez. So I also got these guys. Now, I only got 2 of them. These are called LOL Surprise Pez. And basically, if you look on the back here, I know my camera, I shouldn't have really done this, the front camera, but there's 9 different Pez. And they have different rarities. So there's popular, fancy, and rare. And you have no idea what Pez it is, so my dad's definitely going to be opening these because you don't know what Pez is in there. So what's the point of keeping it sealed? And I only got him 2. I know there's 9 in the set, but I did just get 2 of those. So those are kind of interesting. Next, I got this boy Aladdin. Damn, I literally didn't even know I was going to get. That's Aladdin right there. Really, really awesome. Sorry about the glare here. It's really terrible, but we got Aladdin. And we got the Genie. This is probably my favorite one out of that set. Really, really, really cool. And of course, I had to get my girl, Jasmine. I don't know if this is the same Jasmine model from the Princess set. I honestly don't know, but I just grabbed it because that just completes the set. And it's got like the Aladdin box. So maybe that is a different model of her. I actually really don't know. I got one more Pez here. And this is an emoji that he didn't have, or we didn't have, and it's like the shocked face emoji. So yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I have all the other emoji. We have all the other emoji pens or Pez. So yeah, that was like the last one we needed. So kind of disappointed I didn't get Mufasa because that's probably the coolest one out of this set. So yeah, guys, that is gonna be my dad's Pez gift. And we're not gonna be able to set these up for a long time. We're waiting until we can finish the basement, and that's going to take a lot more work than I initially thought. Now, I did actually set up, or me and my dad actually set up the majority of my sets, but I am getting another Pez set, and it should be coming in within a few more days. So when that comes in, guys, I will be making a video showing that off. But yeah, that's my dad's little gift, and I'm pretty excited to be giving that to him in a couple days. So now for the unboxing part of the video, we're going to be opening up this Ghost. I haven't opened Pez in a while, guys, so thought, why not? It's been kind of sitting in my room, and I do have this guy sealed already. So, no problem in opening them up. And as you can see, you got the new Pez packet design there. Lemon candy, you got the new candy corn flavor, and raspberry. So here's the dude right here, the little Ghost guy. He's been out for a couple years now. It's 2013 he came out. Pretty cool. I like that Pez. And we also have this little bat. It's a pretty ugly looking bat, to be completely honest with you, but you know, it's the seasonal Halloween, Christmas, holiday Pez that they come out with every couple of years. They come out with a new character. They came out with quite a few new Halloween and just holiday Pez in general, I noticed. So I've never actually opened this guy. He's a 2019 Pez. So that's pretty damn cool. And we got same flavors, lemon, candy corn, and raspberry. So guys, I am talking a little bit low because it is pretty late when I'm recording this. They're the cool little Pez guys. Pretty freaking awesome. So, me and my dad were watching some videos today about the Pop Pez. And there is quite a lot of them, guys, I've realized. We only have one Pop Pez, and it's the Secret Swirl Pez. So, some of those guys are really cool. So, I am going to really start collecting a lot of those Popper Pez. But there still is a lot of just like normal Pez dispensers that came out that I don't have from this year. So I'm working on collecting all of those. I will be making probably another video before Pez Room is complete of the new set I'm getting. I'm not going to let you guys know what it is. It's a pretty awesome set though. I ordered it off the official Pez website. So yeah, it'll be a fun little unboxing video. But yeah guys, hopefully the Pez Room, like the drywall, we have to like frame it, put insulation in. We're probably gonna tile the floor down there. So it is gonna take some work. I'm saying hopefully latest 2 months. I'm gonna give you guys that stretch. It's definitely gonna probably be more than a month, but I'm hoping within 2 months we will be pretty close to being done with it. And I will give you guys updates if you want. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys probably in 3 days, maybe a little less than that, with the new box that I'm getting, new little collection set. But yeah, there's a little unboxing video of these little guys, and those are some of the new Pez I'm getting my dad for his birthday. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.